Brickstream.
Let me get this real quick. This video will show how to install the Brickstream 2D and 3D smart devices using an outdoor enclosure mount. The outdoor enclosure mount can be purchased through Brickstream. To order, call 1-866-274-2578. The same process is followed to install either a Brickstream 2D or 3D smart device in an outdoor enclosure mount. This demonstration will feature the Brickstream 3D smart device. Devices must be installed to the height, angle, and rotation as specified on the design drawing. The following tools will be used to complete this install. This is the outdoor enclosure mount. Begin the installation by removing the mount cover. After opening the cover, remove all the mounting hardware. Attach the bracket to the smart device. After the bracket is mounted, place the smart device into the mount. Using the 4 screws that were removed from the mount, secure the Brickstream smart device into the box. Remove any lens covers at this point and check that the lenses are clean. Place the cover back on the mount. This completes the installation of the weatherproof mount for Brickstream 3D smart devices. You are now ready to place the assembly into the desired outdoor location. Installation outdoors vary based upon the mount location and whether it will be attached to masonry, wood, metal, or other surfaces. Be sure to avoid installing the smart device too close to any obstacles that could block the lens's view. Thanks for watching this video. For more information or to purchase products, please contact your local Brickstream sales representative at 1-866-274-2578 and hit option 1. For questions about these instructions, call support at 1-866-274-2578, option 2.
Brickstream.